guys and welcome to today's vlog. We're at Blizzard Beach. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. It's a very hot day, it's supposed to be stormy later. Here we go. Number 6, number 5. Oh, number 5 hasn't even got a great launch.
Let's go. Summit Plummet or Slush Gusher, you have to be at least 48 inches tall. If you're shorter than that, you can try
48 inches too.
Great view up here, Jordan.
Yeah, it's gotta be.
Hashtag Fun Life.
Are you ready for this? I'll see you at the bottom. Bye! Woo! Lewis. Oh, it's always Bradley. Wedgie. Here comes father. Whoosh.
Dad went 43.
The rain is coming. Got a flat one. Yeah. Best time when it's hot in the pool, in the lazy river. Oh. When the floor's so hot, you got to follow the water.
Yeah, you're gonna win, bitch.
Competitive nature. I'm winning! Yeah. Bullshit. Bigger you are, the quicker you go. That's Bradley's extra stone on me, caught me out there.
I don't like this race. It's impossible to get off.
I was like a blooming whole slope ahead.
What was that, boy?
Put them on together. Lay yours on mine. Oh no. Bye. Woohoo! Oh, you beat me out. What? Yeah, so anyway, I got 6.83 and Mum got 6.71. Kick my ass there. Tube return. Bye. There you go.
I've always loved you, Dad.
Bye.
He's too far back. It's gonna be a poor start.
Move the access climb out the way as well. Bye!
Hold. Do the worm. Woo!
Ooh, ah, eat, ooh, ah. Oh. So hot on the floor. I don't know. Tube 1, 2 or 3? That's the question. They're quite cool, these rides. You get these little map things. Here we go. Woohoo! I love these little maps. It is quick, yeah. You feel like you're on a little toboggan. Piss off. It's gonna be alright. Back at the toboggan again. This is so good. A lot of people still wait in mind. We're back again, but lane 2 this time. I think the lifeguard did something behind my back then because he was shouting at me as I walked off. I see what you were filming it like that. Whoosh. So guys, in my finishing vlog spot on the bed, that was Blizzard Beach today. I hope you guys really like this one. I tried to film it a little bit different, start it a little bit different. Hopefully the start spiced it up a little bit rather than me just introducing the park and things like that. I just started with me being on a ride with my family, and obviously Alana as well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the little bit of a difference on the start, because I'm thinking after the first 6 days it was getting a little bit samey, so I tried to spice it up just a little bit. Really midday at Blizzard Beach. I got a little bit burnt, I don't know if you can tell, but on my nose and on my cheeks and back and shoulders and the main parts, but it was cooking, which was nice, which means obviously because you're at the water park you got the water there to cool off. But yeah, it was mint. So thank you very much again guys. Cheers.